Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Oil and Gas Information. Here we start the course of Basic Greek Mathematics. This is the tutorial number 1 of the Basic Greek Mathematics course. Its title is the Unit of Measurements for Oil and Gas Drilling Rig. Let's start the video. First of all, we see what is the unit of measurements. Here we see the definition of the measurements. Actually, measurement is a process that uses number to describe a physical quantity based on what we can observe. And now we see the definition of units of measurements. Basically, units of measurement provide standard for our comparison so that the number from our measurements refer to the same thing. At oil and gas drilling rig, the unit of measurement is very important because we take different measurements and solve different calculations at every time. For example, taking the length of drill pipe, taking the length of casing, etc. Taking OD, here OD means outer diameter, and ID means inner diameter of different drill pipes, drill collar, etc. Mud tank capacity, mud weight calculation, and mud flow calculation, etc. Now we see the system of units of measurements. Basically, in the world there are two main systems of unit of measurements. The first one is metric system, the second one is English system. Now we see the things to be measured at drilling rig. At oil and gas drilling rig, normally we need three things to be measured. As you see in the picture, first one is the length, the second one is the weight, and third one is the capacity. Now we discuss two systems, metric system and the English system. First of all, we discuss the metric system. The metric system is a system of measurement used in most of the world. It is also called the International System of Units or SI. In metric system, the unit of length is based on the meter, and the unit of capacity is based on the liter, and the unit of weight is based on the gram. Here you can see length is calculated in the meter, capacity is measured in the liter, and weight is measured in the gram. Now we see the second system, which one is English system. The English system uses following unit of measurements. In English system, the unit of length is based on foot, the unit of weight is based on the pound, and the unit of capacity is based on the gallon. In the English system, you can see the length is measured in the foot, weight is measured in the pound, and the capacity is measured in the gallon. Now we compare two systems, metric system versus English system. There are following unit of length, weight, and capacity in metric system and English systems. Here you can see in the chart, this side three different values, length, weight, and capacity. The first column is the metric system, the second is English system. You can see the length is measured in meter when it is in metric system, and it also measured in the foot when it was English system. Similarly, weight is measured in the gram, and the second one it is measured in the pounds, and the third one is the capacity. In metric system, capacity is measured in the liter, while in English system, capacity is measured in the gallon. Here you can see meter is represented by small m, foot is represented by small f and t, gram is represented small gm, pound is represented in small lb, liter is represented by small l, and the gallon is represented by small g. Now we see metric system for measurements. As we also see the metric system, the unit of length is based on the meter. Here we see some conversion. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, while 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is also equal to 1000 millimeters. The second one is the unit of weight is based on the gram. Here also see the conversion. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and the last one, the unit of capacity is based on the liter. One cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. It's mean 1 cubic meter volume there is inside the 1000 liter of water and another thing. Now we see the some conversion for the English systems. In English system, the unit of length is based on the foot. As you know, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, while 1 mile is equal to 1760 yard. Here is important thing, 1 inch is equal to 16 small division. In the scale you can see there is a 5 to 6, there is a total 1 inch, and in the 1 inch there is a total small 16 division, 1 2 3 4 8 12 and 16. The small division is 1 over 16, this 2 over 16, which means 1 over 8, 3 over 16, 5 over 16. This is actually 8 over 16, which means 1 by 2. The second one is the unit of weight is based on the pound. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. In English system, the unit of capacity is based on the gallon. You see 1 barrel is equal to 5.614 cubic feet, while 1 cubic feet is equal to 7.48 gallon, and the 1 barrel is equal to 42 gallon. Now we see some conversion between metric and English system. First of all, we see the conversion for the length. 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Now we see the conversion for the weight. 1 pound is equal to 453.5924 gram. At the last we see the conversion for the capacity. 1 gallon is equal to 3.785412 liter. Here the video ends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please share with others and comment this video. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Oil and Gas Information, and also click on the bell icon button for watching upcoming videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.